In this session, we are going to discuss about protection mechanisms. The idea of protection mechanisms or protection control is a component of understanding and executing security controls. They are not required for all security measures, but many of them provides protection through the usage of these techniques. Defense in depth, abstraction, data hiding, encryption are the popular examples of these strategies. Let's talk about defense in depth. The use of multiple controls in a series, also known as defense in depth. Layering is an example of defense in depth. Using a multi-layered approach enables series of various controls to protect the object from many security risks. The failure of a single security control does not make the entire system inoperable. Other terms for the similar ideas include classification, zoning, compartments, silos, segmentation, and protection rings. Let's try to understand the second protection mechanism called abstraction. The world of security is becoming more and more complicated and some says almost unmanageable. Abstraction is one of the fundamental principles behind the field known as object-oriented programming. In abstraction, similar elements are put into groups, classes, or roles. It can be also classified based on restrictions or permissions as a collective. Abstraction simplifies security by enabling you to assign security controls to a group of objects collected by a program or a function. The third topic of this session is data hiding. Data hiding is an act of intentionally positioning a data so that it is not viewable or accessible to an unauthorized subject. This means the subject cannot see or access the data without permission. Data hiding is an important characteristic in multi-level security systems. It ensures that the data at one security level is not visible to processes running at another security level. Last topic of this session is data encryption. Some of you might heard about data encryption. Data encryption is a type of security technology in which information is encoded and may only be accessed or decoded by a user who has the appropriate encryption key. Encrypted data, also known as ciphertext, look like a scrambled or unusable to who gained the unauthorized access to these data. That's going to be the end of this video. If you like it, hit that like button and subscribe.